This new program addresses the essential challenges, I think, of future manufacturing industry. Really close linked to the new research activities that KTH is developing here in Södertälje. We have three distinct research profiles of production management, production logistics, and industrial dependability. And the program will work very close to the researchers and the research projects that we are running. This new program is run in Södertälje, which is one of the manufacturing hubs of Sweden. We have two companies, Scania, with more than 16,000 employees in this town. We have AstraZeneca, with 4,000 or 5,000 employees in manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. And we have a number of small and medium-sized enterprises connected to those two big companies.
With the educational programs, we have the companies engaged. So the students have got to visit the companies, see how the companies work. And we also have invited lectures from the companies. We hope also to include internships, so the companies actually are working closer to KTH, starting from the establishment of this program.
This new program is part of the big effort that KTH and the industry and the municipality in Södertälje is doing here. We're investing heavily in the education, in the research, in the staff, and also in the labs. So we're building a new campus for the future.
We expect that these graduates with their graduate profile, they should be able to initiate changes and new initiatives towards the future companies that we want.
I think you can take roles in both the companies as engineers, or in consultancy, or as researchers.
Yes.
So you have different career possibilities.